PS5 designer helps Nike. How about this collab? You got PlayStation, Nike, and Paul George. And they all come together to put together some sneakers inspired by PlayStation 5. Now, it's not the first time they've worked together, actually. They did a version inspired by the original PlayStation, the PG 2.5. That was, the original PlayStation. That was their last collaboration, which was actually over 2 years ago at this point. And then they have worked together previously before that on a PS4 inspired version. Presumably this one isn't. Yeah, this one is inspired by the PlayStation 5 with the white and the blue, and so they all have to come together and have some little say. But the famous designer here, Eugene Morisawa, the PS5 designer, actually worked on this thing.
Oh, right on.
So if you want to get in touch with him, you just got to be Nike or Paul George, I guess. You just pick up the phone and then all of a sudden.
Did Paul George have a say?
I don't know. They don't really say too much about that in here. I presume
he's like, I like it.
No, I presume he has some. They probably show him a few options.
Yeah.
And because he's got to wear the shoe.
Oh, that's cool.
In the game, he's got to wear the shoe at some point. But it's interesting. It's an interesting collab because he's PG. PlayStation is PS. I don't know. I don't know what I'm talking about. I'm connecting the dots. I got the cork board out, or the Beautiful Mind, the Rain Man. Just
all the equations.
But he's PG and they're PS. It's like, yeah, so
Illuminati.
It's like, so it's different letters. So anyway, PS5 shoes look kind of cool. Actually, you know what? I don't mind them as far as a basketball sneaker is concerned.
They're nice, yeah.
I like black and white together, like a black and white motif. It kind of have similar styling on the way I spec my car, black and white. I like black and white styling.
Now, do you think that it'll be tacky if it lit up?
Like a PlayStation?
Yeah.
That has a chime?
It almost looks like it's lit up because it's just so like blue.
Yeah.
Very,
well, you can't have all those components in there. He's wearing it on the court.
I know, that's true.
He needs lightweight and all the rest of it, but here's the other cool part. It's not gonna cost you an absolute fortune. They're gonna release May 27 at $120. So it's not gonna be like some presuming there's stock and everything. It's not gonna be one of those crazy limited runs that boost the price up. $120. If you're interested, Sony says you should keep your eye on the Nike Sneakers app or your local Nike website. Cool. So maybe they do expect it to sell well. Maybe you have trouble getting your hands on. Then you end up on a Goat app, or you end up on a StockX, and then you pay $1,000. I don't recommend doing that.